How's the trail?
Huh?
How's the trail? Pretty good?
Yeah, there's a couple obstacles.
Enjoy.
Good?
Yeah. Zero here.
Right across the middle here, so you get to the edge and then go down. Right, isn't it?
And do I go straight up here or should I go? Lockers on, my sway bar disconnected.
I can't hit the buttons.
We're not done yet. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get up that. Maybe we turn around and go back again.
From here, go up and then over. rock sliding.
Well, go off. I don't want to have to use my winch.
Yeah.
But am I that close? You sure?
Yeah, sure. Just had a couple rocks slide down off the ground. Just ran over the tree trunk. That tree.
I did, but well, we didn't bottom out.
Yeah.
See, I'll probably go up here. I'll turn right here and then we can walk out and figure out where that spot is to drive up on. What if I just drive it off the edge and jump out before it goes off? You sure?
Yeah.
I can look right down in the valley and see them.
Keep going. Keep going. You've got 2 more feet. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Go. 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 Go.
Are you gonna drive me off the edge?
No, you still have a lot of ways to go. 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 A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit further.
I don't want to go in the hole.
Oh, you don't? Oh, okay. Then stop. Good. I thought you wanted to be in the hole.
Holy crap. That's scary.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find